Let's say that Caroline Esther didn't turn out to be as good as we initially thought she would be. Some strange things have been happening on the mortgage approval process. So the manager sent her home, and he asked the item administrator, HR, whoever is the right person, to suspend all the accesses that she has. So we're going to show you right now the administrator user interface for item. It's not as simple and intuitive as the dashboard that you saw on the self-help, which is very intuitive. It's going to be a little bit less intuitive because it's far more powerful, has far many more options. So it doesn't look like a dashboard. Perhaps we can exaggerate and say it looks more like a cockpit, but you'll see that it's not that difficult to be used. But this is for the person who administers items, a trained professional that does that. So his name is Mike Stevens. So Mike Stevens logs in, and he is going to suspend Caroline Esther's account. So we click on Manage Users. We search for all the users. We can put the last name of Caroline there if you want to. And here is Caroline Esther. She's active. She's an accounting. So all you need to do is select the account and click Suspend. That's all it is to it. Well, actually, we can do it immediately, which we're going to do, or we can schedule it for some time later. Let's do it right now. That's all it is. If we see now, for example, in Active Directory, Caroline, we're going to go to domain users. We're going to see the members of the user. Caroline's still a member, but she's suspended for getting even into the network. She cannot even get into AD. All her access rights has been suspended, including the mortgage account, loan management mortgage account that she got access before. So as we see, well, she's still a member of the LDAP, the OFN White Pages application that we showed before. It should be, because she hasn't been fired, at least not yet. So we go to the White Pages application, we look for last name Esther, and sure enough, she's still here. Let's say that the investigation concludes and we want to terminate Caroline. She's no longer going to be working for this enterprise, and we're going to ask the administrator to terminate the account. So we go back to the cockpit application, Mike Stevens. Let me make sure I get this right. We log in. We go again to Manage Users. We can put here just Esther if we want to, if we don't want to see all the others. We see Caroline Esther. Notice that she's inactive. Well, we want to go ahead and delete her account and all the access that she has in all the applications on the enterprise. When? Right now, immediately. And that's all it is. We go to AD now, and she's no longer there. So as we see, Caroline is not. That is how easy it is to eliminate all the access right when somebody leaves the organization. As easy as it is to provide the access right and provide self-help and all the nice features of automated provisioning, this is a simple way of really terminating the users, which is also very important for compliance.